G'day YouTube. This video will show you guys how to install the Chrome web browser in Linux Mint 18.3. Now when I say Chrome, I really mean the Chromium web browser because it's pretty much the same as the Google Chrome web browser, except it does have a few little bits and pieces extra, including codecs and things of that nature that make it work a lot better there. So what you need to do is go to a terminal and type in the following: sudo apt install chromium browser, and do a -y to auto complete the installation. Throw in your password, and here we go. So install that away. Once it is installed, go to the menu and have a look for it, and you'll see it there. As is, mine's already up and running there. So that's pretty much it, guys, in a nutshell. That is how you install the Chromium web browser in Linux Mint 18.3. Cheers, guys. Hope you've enjoyed.